I don't go. Never been sure, no, I don't know. How does everybody has to let go of their egos? Don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like I know I could. Like I know.
Hello and welcome to my hair transformation video. It's been a long day and it is just the beginning. I am removing my braids. Quick tip, always remember when you remove your braids to clear out your hair before you wash it. Someone didn't and ended up losing all her hair. Ooh, sad day. Alright, also you are gonna see, don't make the mistake that I did. I am cutting my hair every time I take it out of the braid. Don't do that. That's a big no-no. You'll see why in a little bit because, well, spoiler alert, it's completely uneven and I basically destroyed my hair. Yep. Just another day. Yeah. See? I was like, uneven ends. Let me cut. Let me be proactive. Big mistake. Do not do what I did. Wait until your hair is completely removed and you clear it out. And yeah. Or you know what? Better yet, go to a professional. Alright, because clearly I messed up. But it's okay. At the end of the day, it's just hair. It'll grow back. And I got rid of a lot of dead ends. So a win is a win. And I'll take that. So I am just removing this, and the reason why I decided to remove the bleach out of my hair, oh my gosh, I am so tired of the scammers and the pricing and the stress. I just want something that is low maintenance. I am just over it. I feel like the blonde represented someone who I am no longer. And I wanted to get back to my roots. I wanted to get back to who I used to be. And I really miss that woman a lot. And I feel like I need her right now. So that is part of my decision on why I decided to go back to what my hair used to look like. Okay? And just even seeing it now, I'm just like, no. The best decision I did was to transform my hair back. It's just seeing the damage. And jeez, no. And how I did this process, as you can see, is first of all, let me just tell you guys, the products I'm using are professional. I am a licensed esthetician, so I get I have availability to these products. Like I can have access to these products. So we went ahead and got the professional products. If you got your hair professionally bleached, you cannot use box dye. Your hair will fall out. You will be bald headed within a matter of minutes. Please don't do that. But I am dyeing it red because I have to fill in the color. Otherwise, if I was to dye it dark brown, my hair would look blue instead of dark brown. Okay, so just yeah, that's why I have to deposit color into my hair before I transform my hair into my natural color. Okay, which is, you can see what she's doing now. I'm not gonna lie though, that red hair eats. Like it looked amazing, but again, the reason why I didn't keep it red is because I don't want something that I have to upkeep with. I want something that grows naturally out of my head, where I don't have to keep doing touch-ups and depending on people. But it looks good. Like, look at that. And now we're going in with the dark neutral brown color. Let me tell you, I was so nervous at first, but I'm so excited and I'm so glad I did this. I really needed to get back to my healthy roots.
You cut it right here. Actually, she cut this right. Oh, look. So
Jennifer, this looks so even. I mean, you can tell this side is definitely thicker, but it looked even. Let me tell you guys real quick. I cut my hair on my own yesterday. Tragic mistake, don't ever do that. But she fixed it as best as she can and it actually looked decent. Not too much on me, YouTube. So now I'm dyeing my hair the neutral brown color, and this is so liberating to watch because it feels so good. It's just the fact of knowing that I don't have to depend on anyone anymore on my hair. I can't even describe it. And a little tip to the Orlando stylists, y'all gotta do better. Seriously. Oh my gosh. You can make so much more. You can make so much money with a loyal clientele base if you stop playing games. I promise. I promise. Notice anything different? I went ahead and did a big chop and I dyed my hair back to my natural-ish color. I say natural-ish because it looks black on camera and in person, but the color I dyed it was neutral brown, like neutral natural brown. That's what it was. That's what it's called, but it looks black. And maybe because I'm not used to seeing my hair this color, because it's been years since I was this dark, years. So I am restarting my healthy hair journey. I am starting from scratch to grow my hair out waist length. I'll be consistent with my hair oils, my hair mask, my monthly scalp detoxes. Also too, what you put on top of your hair is just as important as what you put inside your body for the most part. There are some cases though where due to disease or due to hormonal or just different cases where it doesn't matter what you eat, your hair is still super thin and your skin is still breaking out. Okay, we want stronger, healthier hair. I'm going to be posting DIY recipes. I'm going to be doing monthly length check-ins, okay, so that way you can see the progress on my hair, because I get it. Like, why would you want to start this journey with me? You haven't seen any progress yet. I'm there, okay? I'm the same way too. Like, so I'm going to be doing monthly check-ins so that way you see the progress, you see the results. Only thing I did not record was me cutting my hair. My sister did this side. Clearly she did a better job. I was just going crazy, chop 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 chop, because I just wanted that blonde hair out. Like, I was over the blonde. I was sick of it. I was irritated because it just reminded me of all the scammers, of all the maintenance, of all the frustration. It was just a lot. So I wanted to like have a whole Britney moment and honestly shave my head, but I was just like cutting, and I cut too much. So I'm going to let this side catch up to this side. Long story long, go ahead, hit the subscribe and hit the notification button so you can follow me along my journey. I am excited. Look out for my next video.